Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover HTML meta tags and how we could include external CSS and JavaScript file links in an HTML file. HTML meta tags describe the metadata about the HTML page. It is used by web browser. HTML meta tags describe keywords, description, author, viewport, etc. We include HTML meta tags inside head, opening and closing tag. Meta char set UTF-8 means the characters that would be used is of UTF-8. Meta name description is used by search engine in the search result below the title. Meta name keywords are used by search engine to display the page in search result. Meta name author describes the author of the page. Meta name viewport is required to make the page mobile responsive. To include external CSS files, we need to use the link tag. To include external JavaScript files, we need to use the script tag. Bootstrap serial links are examples of external CSS and JavaScript links. If we want to include Bootstrap in our HTML page, then we could copy these links and paste them inside the head, opening and closing tags. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. To keep watching my videos, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.